hirap na ako. Hindi ko alam kung saan lupalop ng earth ko hahagilapin ko. Tungkulan ko pang pera.
Sweldo na ng mga tao sa Biyernes. Kailangan mong asikasuhin to sa bangko.
Tinadjust ko na lumapit ka sa tatay mo, pero hindi ko naman sinabi na galawin mo yung passbook ng tour company.
Papalabas talaga siya ng money for that? Ikit, in love na dun sa Victor na yan.
I already give it to you, the 150,000. Sweetie, it better be delivered tomorrow or else I'll be in big trouble.
It's time for the phase 2 of our plan. Gee! Let's do this!
Bessie, mamaya na lang ako mag-e-explain sa'yo, ha? Basta please lang, huwag ka muna pumasok para ikaw yung makatanggap ng package delivery, please.
Teka nga, nakakaloka ka, Beshi. Anong package? Hindi mo sinasabi sa akin na meron ka palang expected delivery today. Siyempre ngayon mo sasabihin sa akin kung kailan papunta ka na ng airport. Ang galing mo talaga.
Bakla. Mamaya na ako mag-explain sa'yo ng bonggang-bongga. Promise, basta, I love you. I love you, bakla. Thank you, bye-bye.
Love you mo mukha mo.
Ay, oo nga pala. Kailangan ko nga pala tong i-vlog. Wait. Ay, paano yung lipstick ko? Mukha naman ako maayos. Baka nga sabi ko sa'yo, road to KMJS tong nararamdaman ko. Okay, 1. Hi, vlog! Welcome to my guys! For today's video, I am your online tourist guide. I'm your Binibining Marikit! Today kasi is the big day of my life because you know what? You know why? You know why? Face reveal na ko na shota ko. Oo! Naku! Miss Jessica Soho, shoutout sa'yo. Pang KMJS to! Inaabangan talaga to! Kaya naman, see you!
Hi, sweetie.
Hi, sweetie pie! Where na you? Lapit namin kasi. I'm on my way. Go to the airport.
I arrived an hour early.
You eating na ba?
Yes, sweetie, but there's a big problem.
Victor, you have a problem again?
So, the airport officers, they apprehended me and isolated me in a room. Now, they won't release me.
What they did to you? Anong ginawa nila sa'yo?
Listen carefully, sweetie. Calm down so you can think straight and help me, okay?
No, sweetie, I cannot calm down.
So, sweetie, what you need to do is we need to raise 150,000 pesos so that I could get out of here.
150,000? Ano sila sinuswerte? Alam mo, it better I go to the police na. I will report them talaga.
Oh, no. Sweetie, don't do that, okay? Because if you do that, they're going to apprehend me. They're gonna add multiple fabricated cases against me.
What can I do? Anong gagawin ko?
Sweetie, maybe you could do your magic and raise another 150,000 pesos.
I am not a magician. The last time that I give you the money, I will go to the bank. I will withdraw. Then I will go back to that banko to deposit again. Kasi, di ba, you said to me, you have a package.
Oh, no. Sweetie. You need to find the fastest possible way to get me out of here. I'm really scared. And I just can't wait to be with you, okay? Once I'm out, we can wait for the package together.
Oh, okay, sweetie. I will go to the bank right now before I go to the airport, ha? I'll see you.
All right. Thank you so much, sweetie. You really are God sent. I'll send you the details on how to give the money to the airport officer. Till then, take care. See you soon. And I love you.
I love you. Wala. Kuya, paydan mo muna ng bangko.
Okay, another 150K coming right up.
Alam mo, kung alam ko lang ganito kadali mag-scam ng tao para magkapera, matagal ko nang ginawa.
I know, right? Oh, go eat na. You deserve it.
I know this from everyone.
Sir, bakit nyo kailangan biktimahin yung shota ko? Ha? Kahit illegal, kaya nyo pasukin para lang sa pera, ganon?
Alam mo, ma'am, mas maganda ibigay mo na yung pera sa akin para tapos na tayo. Tsaka isa pa, ayaw mo bang makita yung boyfriend ko rin?
Paano ko naman masisiguradong makikita ko agad yung shota ko pag bigay ko ng pera?
Ito, nakita mo to? Ito yung name tag ko. Tandaan mo siya. Tsaka di ba may contact number na ako sa'yo? Kung sakali mang hindi mo makita yung boyfriend mo sa arrival, pagtanong mo ako sa mga airport officers din, kilala nila akong lahat dito.
Gonzales? Ano po yung PN?
Patrick Novicio. Patrick Novicio Gonzales ang kompleto kong pangalan.
Patrick Novicio Gonzales. Patrick Novicio Gonzales. Patrick Novicio.
Miss, yung pera, asaan na? Yan na.
Dali lang naman, sir. Gusto mo bilangin pa natin eh. Kumpleto yun, sir.
Hindi na kailangan. Tsaka isa pa, kung peke o kulang man tong perang ibibigay mo sa akin, hindi naman makakalabas ng arrival yung boyfriend mo. At pag nalaman ng boss ko, mas tataasan niya yung singil sa'yo. Kung sinong talo, ikaw din.
Sige, bigay mo na kagad yan sa kanya para makita ko na kagad yung shota ko, ha? Sabi nag-aantay ako, ha?